Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to get a refund from BitDefender. So if you have taken any subscription by mistake, or if you have charges on your credit card, then how you can get your full refund. So in that case, what you can do, you can type on any browser like refund from BitDefender, and once you type this option, you will see this option like how to get a refund full cancel a subscription. You need to click on this option, and once you click on this option, you will see there is an option like over here. Now you have to click on this link like request a refund from here, and once you click on this option, it will take some time, and on this window it will take you can say on this page manage subscription and refund. There is a issue like refund and which product you need to still have. Like if you have any kind of service you have purchased, you need to click on any option, okay, which service you want to cancel or which service you want to get full refund. Okay, so let's suppose take an example. I have purchased like BitDefender Total Security. I have to follow all the reasons, choose the refund. I have technical issues, I can't install activate my product and all. You can choose any option which is suitable for this category, and you can see you need to enter your email over here. You need to type the message regarding your you can say refund and all. You can type your message fully message like why you want to get your refund back, what is the reason behind this thing and all. You need to enter your official email address, that is which is your you can say registered email address. You need to enter your order ID also, and you need to enter your screenshot over here if you have any kind of a screenshot, and just click on simply check I'm not a robot option, and you can verify your you can say not a robot options, and that's it. And you can also where is the option, it will take some time. So my god, what is this type of captcha? So you can, in the end you can submit. If you have any kind of subscription, you can also attach your subscription, you can say screenshot. Then by using this method you can easily get your full refund from BitDefender. Okay, so if you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and this is the video, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.